Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a review, but a report of unfortunate events. The keyboard that you're seeing right now is the Viper V760 gaming keyboard, and it's dead on arrival. So sad. I tried the laptop, I tried my desktop, I tried another desktop, and on some instances the keyboard will light on. Then I tried to download the driver software, plugged it in, it read it, which was a great sign. But then again, it couldn't type. As in, when I try to type on the screen on all three different computers, no keys would register. The light that's on the numlock would not shut down, and I seriously hope I am just the one, that it's just me having bad luck that I have a keyboard that's dead on arrival. I seriously hope so. And I was looking forward to reviewing the keyboard, but of course that's gonna be delayed now. So I'm not saying that Viper is a bad company. Once again, I just want to make that clear. I'm not saying Viper is a bad company. I'm just saying that this is a unfortunate event. So I just want to make that as clear as I possibly can. Yeah. By all means, I guess sometimes sometimes you just luck out. And an unfortunate thing happens. It's not the best, it's not what you wanted, but I guess it does happen. And when it does, it doesn't feel so good. But hopefully I can get this up and running again. Probably gonna go exchange it for another one. Hopefully that one works, and then I can carry on with my usual videos. Hopefully. As for now, this is a Kale Brown switch, and here is some of the sounds. Some of the things that I did notice about it, it was incredibly light for being a mechanical keyboard. It's very light. And the first initial impressions, by that I mean me pushing keys, it feels pretty good. It's not the most premium quality feeling, but it's not the least either. So they have that going for them, which is very nice. Anyways, just to wrap it up, saying that hopefully I can get this up and running. If not, then this might just be the only video you guys will see of this particular keyboard. Hopefully that's not the case, but if you guys really want me to do a review on this particular keyboard, then go ahead and comment down below. Let me know. If not, I might just move on. Alright. This has been Rio Gion, signing out.